Hello students, so next subtopic is vector joining 2 points. Okay, vectors joining two points. So suppose in 3D, that is in 3 dimension, we have 2 points. Okay, P1, P1 and P2. Okay, or we can take, this is like this is like this, then this. Okay, P1 to P2. So coordinates of these are x1, y1, z1, and coordinates of these are x2, y2, z2. Okay, then the vector joining 2 points, that is p1, this is O vector, p1, p2 vector, okay, is given by, now this is in this direction, so O p1 here and O p2 here, so O p2 minus O p1. So you'll get this as x2 minus x1 I plus y2 minus y1 j plus z2 minus z1 k. Okay, so this is your vector joining 2 points, and its magnitude is given by root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square plus z2 minus z1 the whole square. Okay, let's write one example. Find a vector joining the points. Points are given, and q minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, and directed from P to Q. Okay, now P is your initial point and Q is your terminal point. So this, if you take P1 and P2, okay, so P1 was our initial point and P2 was our terminal point, right? So from x2 minus x1 we had taken, right? So we have to take, you have to consider this as x1, y1, z1, and this is x2, y2, z2, that is minus 1, minus 2 you have to do. Okay, so if it is directed from P to Q, then you have to do minus 1, minus 2 I plus minus 2, minus 3 j plus minus 4, minus 0 k. Okay, so this will be minus 3i minus 5j and minus 4k. This is your PQ vector. If it is given Q to P, from Q to P, then you have to take 2 minus of minus 1 I plus 3 minus of minus 2 j plus 0 minus of minus 4 k. Okay, so here direction is very important. 2 plus 1, so this is 3i plus 5j and plus 4k. Okay, next is section formula. Okay, section formula we had learned in standard 10th, that is for coordinate geometry. Okay, same way it is here. So PQ is when R divides PQ internally. So internal division was there, external division was there, and midpoint was there, right? So same way here also, internal is there, external and midpoint. So when case 1, when R, okay, R vector, that is divides point, is there on a vector PQ. Okay, so the figure is like this: A vector, B vector, and from A to B that is from here to here. This is PQ vector and this is your R vector. Okay, this point divides PQ internally. Okay, that time the vector is given by, so this is M and N are the ratios you have to take, right? M is to N. So PQ dividing this M is to N. Okay. So this becomes like this, N into A upon M plus N. Okay. When the division is external, okay, that time the diagram will be A vector, B vector, this is PQ, and here there is R vector. So this is dividing PQ externally. So this becomes your M and this is N. Okay, external. So this time this is R is given by MB minus NA upon M minus N. Okay. So for internal it is plus, for external it is minus. And if R is the midpoint of PQ, then obviously this M is equal to N, right? So your R vector becomes equal to A plus B upon 2. Okay, this is for midpoint. Let's solve one example. Okay, consider 2 points P and Q with position vectors. Position vectors are given OP 3A minus 2B and OQ A plus B. Okay. Find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining P and Q in the ratio 2:1. So ratio is given 2:1. So this is your M, this is your N. Okay. Position vectors we know that from this O to P, and another is your O to Q, and then there is a line here. Okay, and your R vector is here, right? OR. So you have to find OR. So you have to make use of this is, they have given two conditions, that is internally and externally, both you have to find. So internally, okay, this formula is R vector MB plus NA upon M plus N. Okay, so your A vector is this and your B vector is this. Okay, so write down, substituting, M is 2, B vector is A plus B plus N into A upon M plus N 2 plus 1. So you'll get 2A plus 3A 5A, 2B minus 2B 0 upon 3. Okay, so this is your R vector. Same way you have to find it for external. External you have to take minus. So this will be 2 minus 3 minus 1A. 2 minus 2b, so plus 4a, 4b upon 2 minus 1, 1. So this will be minus a plus 4b. Okay. Next question. Show that the points are given. C point, okay, are the vertices of a right angle triangle. So here you have to make use of first thing is vectors joining the 2 points. Okay, and first you have to find the vectors, and then you have to make use of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so vectors joining the 2 points will be a vector joining from A to B, then B to C, and C to A. Okay, so you will get vector AB, then BC and AC or CA. Okay, so A to B means B becomes your terminal point and A becomes your initial point. So whenever we write a vector joining 2 points, then you have to take terminal minus initial, right? So 1 minus 2, I'll write here 1 minus 2i minus 3 plus 1j minus 5 plus 1k. Okay, for BC, so 3 minus 1i plus minus 4 plus 3j plus minus 4 plus 5k. Then CA, so C minus A, 3 minus 2i plus minus 4 plus 1j plus minus 4 minus 1k. Okay, so this vector is your minus I minus 2j minus 4k, then 3 minus 1 2i minus 1j plus k, I minus 3j minus 5k. Okay, minus 1, this is minus, so it is minus 6k. Minus 4 C to A, C to A, oh, I've taken A to C. A to B, B to C and AC. Okay. C minus A. Okay. So when you calculate magnitude, it doesn't matter if you are taking from A to C or C to A, because magnitude will be same. Okay, because AC vector will be same as minus AC vector, negative, in negative direction, right? So I'll write here CA also. So what, 2 minus 3 I minus 1 plus 4 j and 1 plus 4 k. See, so this is your minus I plus 3j and plus 5k. See, both are same, only the direction is different. Okay, so when you take the magnitude, AB magnitude, let's see what it is. Root of 1 plus 4 plus 36 So 5 plus 36, 41. Then BC, root of 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, so 6, root 6. Then AC, 1 plus 9, 10 plus 25, so 35. So if I add AC and BC, so 35 plus 6, you will get 41, right? So this is a right angle triangle. Okay.